Look around. How many times has disconnection shattered your teams? How many deals, how many partnerships have crumbled because trust was just a word, fragile and thin like glass? That gnawing frustration, that sinking feeling when you realize no matter how hard you push, the bonds you need don't hold. It's not just about skills or contracts. It's about something deeper, something invisible. It's those unspoken threads between people that say, I've got your back, even when everything falls apart. But how do you build those invisible chains? Not the fake ones made of convenience or fear, but unbreakable ties forged in fire? The brutal truth is, most leaders stop too soon. They settle for polite teamwork, empty nods, and surface-level agreements. That's why chaos erupts. Why the best plans die on the altar of mistrust and hesitation. You can't fake it. You must move beyond the rules and scripts shoved down your throat since day one. Drop every illusion of control, because real connection laughs at procedure and hierarchy. It emerges in the raw cracks of honesty, vulnerability, and relentless presence. First, stop leading from the outside. Real leaders dive in, bleeding their own truths and fears. Show your people you're not invincible. Share your cracks. Let them see the storm inside, not just the calm exterior. When you reveal your humanity, you grant them permission to do the same. That permission? It's a superpower. It melts walls. It draws invisible lines stronger than steel, because it's built on the brutal authenticity that every human craves, but so few deliver. Next, demand brutal accountability, not as a threat, but as love. Yes, love. When you hold teams to clear, unyielding standards, you don't build resentment, you build dependability. Everyone knows where the line is. Everyone feels safe because chaos bows before clear expectations. But you don't stop there. Celebrate the tiny victories, the micro moments where trust moves from theory to living pulse. Recognition fuels the bond. It's oxygen. It's fire. Then, refuse to let the noise dictate your tribe's rhythm. The world screams division, competition, isolation, but your job is to subvert that madness. Create rituals that are not about productivity but about presence. Early morning talks that cut through the surface. Unexpected check-ins that prove you care beyond tasks. Moments where status drops and souls connect. These are tiny rebellions against a system that wants you separated, distracted, disarmed. Most leaders never see that invisible network weaving right under their noses. The shared dreams, the silent sacrifices, the collective grit. You have to name it. Make everyone feel owned by the same pulse. Not in generic slogans or tired speeches, but in actions that scream unity. Staying late when no one expects, defending absent teammates like family, turning failures inside out until the lesson bleeds into every future move. Finally, build relentlessly toward shared transcendence. Remind yourself and your team daily, this is bigger than us. The world's stories won't define you. Your limits are bunk. Your bonds can rewrite what it means to be a leader. This is about forging a network where each link lifts all others, where individual fire fuels a collective blaze so bright it burns down every false system built to divide and conquer. Right now, if that tension inside feels like a weight you carry alone, know this: the power to break free, to build those invisible, unbreakable bonds, lies in what you dare to unleash. Drop the scripts, drop the fear, talk naked truth, demand accountability kissed with respect. Cherish every real human beat in your team. Because a leader who leads like this, they don't just build companies or funds, they build legacies of connection that no system, no challenge can ever break. The time to cut the illusions is now. Your team's unbreakable work bonds start here, with the fire you light inside yourself and spread without mercy. Don't just watch this, flame it into existence.